independent. But they have to be registered, but they do independent. Yeah. And every stop we get washing machine. And every stop, I will ask you if you don't want to bring the stuff with you, either to leave it on the back or in the front in the car. Okay? In case you don't want to bring it with you. The stop in the car. That's another private school. And behind that school they have one of those two churches actually they celebrate regular masses and weddings.
Hello.
Hola. See the guy with the vest on the motorcycle.
Oh, okay.
Oh, that's not the best. This is not the great. Not the great.
Yeah, the best on the guy. He said it's different companies.
What about the ones with like the gray? Are they police?
Yeah, they're all different association. They wear different colors on the vest.
What color the police wear?
Police, but they're the road police green color.
Green?
Green.
Oh.
He said the real police.
The body of a maniquí like my sister. Beautiful body, no head.
There's a lot of ladies driving. A lot of ladies driving the motor. I didn't see that the last time we did that Puerto Cana.
See the arch on top of the church coming. That one on the top, 100 meters high. Got about 3 little ones underneath. There was supposed to be one higher than that, but no machine, no equipment, so they left the building without being finished, missing that one. Those arches represent the wheel on top of the head of Virgin Mary. Look at more mangoes there. From here, it's gonna be around 25 minutes to drive to the next stop to the countryside. So they got two universities in this city. One is just on the outside of the city, and this one here probably on behind the building. Toilet is right there. Yeah, it's right in the front.
So, yeah. yeah. Yeah, I thought that was them. People here, up here in green. That police here, he probably not gonna see it coming through the middle. Oh. Yeah, they was worse at Port Supply. Y'all didn't see them when y'all went to that room tour. They was carrying TVs and all type of furniture, and two of them riding side by side carrying stuff when we was there that year. I'm like, look at these people. We was on that big coach boat riding down those little streets.
Don't imagine how many diseases preventing now taking even 1 tablespoon every morning. Me and my dad especially, for our diabetes, we've been taking it for 17 years already. It took me 6 months to stop taking the pill for diabetes, and my dad 14 months to stop the insulin. It's amazing the taste the food gets when you use coconut on your food, in your cooking. Frying thin, little bit, coconut oil. Tablespoon. Yeah, tablespoon. Every morning before taking anything. You can mix it with coffee, take it with your coffee. Yeah, in the morning that helps a lot of things. I tell a bit more than typical house about everywhere the straight branches, so they make trees growing around the fence, growing food and shade for those animals. For the last 22 years, people using those leaves, handful of them, touch your water, mix and crush you up, then we grab on the skin. That's why we give any kind of a skin rash. Ear rash, that's the rash for baby, getting rid of the poison ivy, and it makes excellent relief for sunburn. Getting rid of the pain from the sunburning. Anywhere in that, you can get it. Not from Cuba, you can get it from the face everywhere. In the last 10 years, people using that leaf as well to try to get rid of the eczema problem. It takes a little longer for eczema, but other kind of a skin problem, 15-20 minutes later, disappear like that. So they call it piñón, P-I-N-N-O-N, piñón.
Bed, so
last Thursday, the 3 days of rain, it was all over this place, that water. Hello, ¿qué? ¿No hay nada hoy? Dale, ¿cómo digas? She teaches her how to work very early. The father. They teach children here, early ages, what they have to do for the day since they open their eyes. They don't have to be told twice what they have to do. Boys and girls. Normally the young boys But the young kids, sorry, they go in the morning to school, so they're older. They stay home. Girls helping the mother with the cleaning, cooking, anything, and boys in the land with the father. Once they get up, they fix the bed. They're not allowed to play in the house outside. I learned how to cook, how to iron, how to wash my hands when I was 10 years old. So when my mom passed away, I was 13. I had to take over the cooking.
Then we had to 5 or 6.
Yeah.
Yeah, 5 or 6. You was old enough to stand up to the iron. We was ironing.
So we're gonna go that way in a minute to go for that sugar cane. First we're gonna stop in front of that school for you to take picture of that building.